with another video. In today's video, we have a hair transformation with A1 Style.
Hi everybody, how y'all doing?
Yes. She just slayed my hair, y'all. Y'all already know this is out my comfort zone. Y'all never see me with this hairstyle, but today I love this hairstyle. I really do love it. You slayed it, girl. So where can they follow you at?
You can follow me on Instagram at IamA1Styles, and also make sure you tune into this video so you can see this transformation on this hottie.
Period. So y'all stay tuned, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. So let's jump right into it. This hair is from Lollipoplinks on Instagram, so go check them out. This hair is Deep Wave hair. It's a frontal in 3 bundles. So make sure you check out the description box for all of the hair details. To prep the hair, A1 bleached and plucked the hairline for a seamless install. So I wanted to show you guys what the frontal looks like before the makeup tint and after the makeup tint, just so you guys can see how it will look when it's melted. Even though she already bleached the knot, she still wanted to tint it with like a foundation closer to my skin tone so it can melt into my skin once she glues it down and do all that good jazz. Now she's just going ahead and sewing the frontal down just to secure it in the back, because we are going to do a bond in with the rest of the bundles. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Y'all, we was too turned doing this install. It was very, very fun having A1 install my hair. As always, listen, this glue, let me tell y'all, this glue that she has, this is her brand, by the way. So y'all hit her up for this glue, but this glue will hold your life down, okay? So y'all check her out. Y'all go follow her on Instagram. She's really, really dope, a dope hairstylist. She's located in South Florida. But baby, look at this cap, okay? So now that the frontal is on, she's gonna go ahead and really melt the lace into the glue, y'all. So that's a very important step, and she's gonna do like a zigzag motion while removing the lace also. But do y'all see this mother freaking melt, honey? Oh, who said something? Period. So to prep for the baby hair, she's just using this razor comb to like make them shorter. So when it's time to actually like make the baby hairs, it's easier for her to like actually slick them and like curve them and do all that good jazz. So now for the baby hair, she's gonna take this foam and she's gonna take her comb and just like, you know, do all the swoopy doops and all that good jazz. I don't know how to explain this. I'm not no hairstylist, but you know what I mean. Just watch and look and learn, you feel me? And then afterwards, she's gonna go ahead and like take this paper scarf and just tie my hair down and blow dry it. Is it just me, but is anybody, like this part right here is very, very satisfying. Like taking the paper off. Let me know if I'm not the only one. Y'all comment below, but y'all, look how melted this hairline is. Like, oh my God, she is amazing. So talented. Look at that, look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and do like this style, like these like two little, I call them horns. I don't know what else to call them. But we stuck to like this style at the end of the video. But I'm gonna show you guys 3 other styles, so y'all stay tuned to that. But yeah, this is how she styles like the horn style. So yeah. I loved everything about this hairstyle. It's so different, out of my comfort zone, but boom, here is the final look. You guys comment below and let me know what hairstyle you guys like. Do you guys like hairstyle number 1, number 2, or number 3? Y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys again and again and again. Y'all show me so much support, and boom, I'm giving you guys looks, okay? So talk to you guys soon and see y'all in my next video. Peace out.